Back in the day, I used to struggle financially. I'm talking about that kind of situation where even putting food on the table was a challenge. You often hear people say that if you work hard and save a portion of your earnings for the future, you'll eventually become wealthy. I used to be skeptical about that, but then something remarkable happened. It's quite the opposite of where I am now, blessed with immense wealth. The journey from financial hardship to prosperity has been nothing short of transformative. I'm here to tell you that it's not about working yourself to the bone. It's about working smarter and planning for the future. I didn't believe it until it became my reality. Let me share this incredible journey of transformation with you. A journey that can I start with just a few changes in your financial mindset from scarcity to abundance. It's a shift that you can make. It's time to explore how financial planning, smart investments, and the right mindset can reshape your future. So, how do you make this incredible transformation happen in your life? It all begins with a shift in your perspective. You see, I was once like many people, living paycheck to paycheck, thinking that saving for the future was a luxury I could afford. But I was wrong, and I'll tell you why. The first step is to change your mindset about money. Instead of seeing it as something to be spent frivolously, view it as a tool for your future. Start by setting clear financial goals. What are your dreams? Where do you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years? With a well-defined plan, you have a roadmap to guide your financial decision. Next, consider smart investment. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. There are plenty of researchers and professionals who can help you make informed choices. Diversify your investments to spread the risk and aim for steady, long-term growth. One crucial lesson I've learned is the power of compounding. Small consistent contribution to your savings and investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. So, don't wait to start saving. Every dollar counts. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. Instead of trading your time for a paycheck, explore passive income streams like investments, rental properties, or online businesses. These avenues can generate income without requiring you to clock in at a 9 to 5 job. As your financial situation improves, it's important to stay disciplined. You'll face temptation along the way, like the desire to splurge on non-essentials. It's okay to enjoy the fruit of your labor, but remember your long-term goals. Stay focused on the bigger picture. In the end, my journey from financial hardship to abundance has taught me that anyone can attain wealth. The key is a combination of mindset, smart financial planning, and making your money work for you. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So, take this story as an inspiration. Your path from financial struggle to prosperity begins with a change in perspective, a commitment to financial planning, and the courage to invest in your future. Start now and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Thank you for watching on this transformative journey. I'm excited to see you rewrite your financial story. I'm excited to see you rewrite your financial story and achieve the abundance you deserve. Stay tuned for more insights and guidance on your path to wealth. Until next time, and see you in the next video.